It's hard to think in a few hours' time that this will be full of water and I'll be having a pint in this very special pub. We're launching from what I think are the best slips in the UK, Cresselly Reach, just outside of Pembroke, on my very trusty sib called Redneck. I'm with my very good friend David Rees. Yes, he's Cardiff born and bred, but he did spend a small part of his teenage years in Pembroke, so he knows this area well, but not by water. Passing a favoured watering hole, the Cresselly Arms, where we've had many a good pint and some good food.
Well, that wreck was completely exposed when we...
Yeah.
This stretch of water is very tidal, but we are able to make it through the channel scoured out by the river. Our destination comes into view. We visited many times by car and foot, but never by water. This pint is going to be extra special.
Our San Martin was coming right towards me there. Look at him.
It's a special pub, bit of a throwback in times. It doesn't appear to have changed much since the 1930s. We had a pint, or maybe two. But all too soon it was time to leave. It was a beautiful evening to be out on the water. Judging by the pontoon, the Cresselly Arms looks busy. Tempting, but it's time to get back to Cresselly Arms.